I unboxed my T3 straightener with me. So this is the state of my hair. This is a T3 straightener. I actually had another one of these, but I got it from TJ Maxx, and I feel like initially it worked really well, but then after a month or so, it would only go to one heat setting. So it's possibly refurbished, but I did really like the quality of it and like how my hair would look, because what is this? And my sister actually also has this straightener, so I really am a fan. It has multiple settings, up to 9 heat levels, and then also there's a curl mode. So I think it like basically heats up the outside too, so that it helps your curls settle. But yeah, I'm going to straighten my hair. You're gonna watch it real time, and we're gonna make a judgment on how good it is. So this is brand new. I'm unwrapping it right now. Oh, it has like a little cord sticker. Okay, cool. And the thing about my hair, clearly, I have a lot of hair. Not trying to lose it. Oh, okay, there's a little clip on this. Not trying to lose it. I'm trying to take care of my hair, but also I cannot go into work like this. So straightening must be done. Okay. So I'm gonna turn it on. Press the on button, multiple settings. I guess I'm gonna have it on 2 settings. Okay, cool. So it's heating up. Ooh, it's really hot already. Press the power button to toggle the texture options. Lock in your texture icon. Select your style to smooth and straighten. The iron will heat up to the optimal heat setting. To create curls and waves, press and hold the curl mode button. Your heat technology, T3 stylemax technology customizes your heat setting based on your unique hair texture. So to manually select your heat setting, double tap the power button, then press the power button to toggle through the heat selections. Oh, I see. Maybe that's all I needed to do in my other T3. So I'm gonna try that out actually. Okay, but yeah, this is where we're at now. I like going by section, so let me tie a section of this. Oh my god, it's already very late at night, so I need this to be quick so I can go to sleep. Be ready for work tomorrow. Okay, so I'm going to comb through my hair first. Oh, I have to do my heat protectant. Okay. Okay. Ooh, this is feeling very hot. Very, very, very hot. Okay, so I take a little bunch. Okay, so this is what we're working with. We all saw how crazy my hair looked. One pass. This is one pass. That is beautiful. One pass, just one. Wow. Wow, I'm loving it. Okay. 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 One pass. That was so good. I don't even need to, I think like I'm gonna do one pass on all of these, and then at the end I'm gonna do another pass. But wow. Okay, let's see. Let's see. One pass. Okay, 2 passes, but beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, now I'm gonna do my whole head, and then I'll record after that. Wow. Wow. So basically this into this. Are we seeing this? This into this. Also, look how many inches I've gained. I guess it's about the same height, but yeah. I'm gonna do the rest of my head now, and then I'll update. So we are on the last strands. Okay, we are on the last few strands. Oh, my back hurts. Ooh, I may have... So, okay, again, one pass. Straight. So usually I actually do like doing a curl with these, and I'll show you another time a curl. But this time, because it's like brand new, I just want to see what it's like with my straightener. Okay, so now for the grand reveal. Oh my god, it's so straight.